It was a great pleasure and privilege for me. I'm going to give a message, what I learned from Swami Vivekananda, for impressed for me. Swami Vivekananda not run this our country. We don't know who's impression for all the younger generation. India today, almost total population 146 crore people, but 74% all younger generation below 35 age group. One man is given an entire eye opener for the younger generation, Swami Vivekananda. Vivekananda impressed so many things. Any cultural diversity. India have a huge diversity, but the cultural and other things, global attention. Swami Vivekananda, one message from Chicago message. It's always taught entire global citizens. Everybody talk about ladies and gentlemen, but the first time in the history of giving address, brothers and sisters, this is eye open for all the human being, learning from Swami Vivekananda. They impressed because of his younger age, talking to entire global address. So one scenario, I am impressed because anything, youth will do anything. Particularly where my subject, where I work from Swaminathan Research Foundation. Swami Vivekananda, as Dr. M.S. Swaminathan also take the younger age as a role model. Almost, I worked with Professor Swaminathan 35 years. Today, almost 195 country people, global citizens, but one person, the entire global role model from Swami Vivekananda. That's why my impression is not only for encourage the younger generation, but delivery, action today, not just like giving tomorrow politicians, but Swami Vivekananda giving a address, education and cultural diversity is one of the best forum today. I am very much interested our Indian younger generation, particularly the youth below 35 age group, almost 74% people working in the urban area or rural area or village level, wherever, but global, everybody looking for Indian youth. How much power the Indian youth have? That power only we want. The subject what I am looking now, the entire 1992, I read one article in the Hindu newspaper, who will feed China? That time China's number one country in the population. The same question, Swami Vivekananda live today is asking question, who will feed India, the total population? That's why we want to take our inspiring personality, Swami Vivekananda, action today. We were everybody ready to come forward, how to attract and retain youth in agriculture. This is a first initiative, the 21st century, an Indian scenario. We want to food for all and ever, particularly adequate food for all. This is a priority area to the younger generation. Take Swami Vivekananda model. Is always never say thinking something to do tomorrow. We want the young people do it today because youth have a enormous power. That power may be to action oriented. That's why education and health and environment and economics, these all the things need younger generation. Swami Vivekananda, we giving a more powerful tool, his message. Each address is always giving us some powerful news for our generation. That's why today, this particular occasion, we want inspiring personality. I am so happy giving this address and message to the younger generation. I am going to take role model. Each one, the younger generation, take somebody as a role model. Swami Vivekananda, every young people take a role model. After 60 retirement stage, I am doing this and that. Not. But today, we are very much, as a younger generation, take action, not like tomorrow. We don't want to give ball to tomorrow. Maybe my advice to the younger generation, youth, subject matter, food for all and ever, how to do it. That's why we are agriculture mandate, agriculture giving a lot of technology. That's why Swami Vivekananda, action today, not like just for tomorrow. I am consider Swami Vivekananda today's scenario, because the political reason, all the things I told the beginning, the total population 140 crore. But the younger generation take this today's scenario, Indian scenario, the young people almost everyone the technology transfer. Maybe this technology used for next generation. Maybe took role model. Swami Vivekananda time no technology, nothing, but is giving an inspiring personality as a role model. Take something is inspiration. What we want to deliver the society. That's why I'm so happy to requesting all the younger generation, maybe women and men, we want to sustainability country. We want to every field, whatever your field. This is an education or food security, or nutrition security, anything. What I am working on it. Maybe that this generation take our country proud. It's one of the best personality. The global scenario, Indian concerns, Swami Vivekananda's inspiration. This is a one, maybe my personal request to all the younger generation. It's a very, very important. Our Hindu Dharma giving a lot of knowledge and revolution, the human revolution, what you call human to human. This is only Hindu Dharma have this kind of culture. No other, I don't want to comment on other religious, but Hindu, one cultural diversity, giving a global attention. That's why anything global, something happen, immediately Swami Vivekananda message will be remain, the peace, this is called nature, the harmony. My advice and message to the today's younger generation, everyone, as a rich or the poor, or educated people or uneducated people, as human being, we want to take some message for action oriented. I benefited from Swami Vivekananda messages.